The true retards.
Yes.
Oh, you're starting another one?
Oh, never mind, never mind.
It's your turn, Rebecca.
No, it's
Can't
not
avoid
my
the camera, can you?
Stop, you already broke mine. So
Rebecca.
I'm so sorry, camera. We'll have a funeral for you tomorrow. Hey, kick his ball. Let's see what happens.
Oh God,
No, no, face the other way, Raymond. Poor Asian boy, you know.